Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to reset the maintenance light on a Honda CR-V. This is actually a 2017 Honda CR-V EXL trim level, and it has this infotainment screen right here. So if you have a CR-V with this infotainment screen, this is how to reset the oil life, and it'll be a very simple tutorial. Now I say reset the oil life because the oil life is the main reason why you're going to be getting a maintenance minder or a maintenance light, but obviously it can be for more things as well, as I will show you right now, because I do need a maintenance that is the oil, an oil change, as well as a few other things. So very simple. From the main infotainment screen right here, this is the home section. So from the home section, you're going to actually click settings. So I'm going to go and I'm going to click settings. I'm going to be very careful not to turn on the radio because I think I left the radio on like a very high volume before I turned it off. I was jamming out. I just dropped my daughter off at daycare, and then I had the opportunity to drive alone for a little bit. So obviously, you know, when you have kids and you end up driving alone, you end up like blasting your favorite songs. It's just how it works. So I'm going to be careful not to turn on the radio. But I'm going to hit settings as I did right there, and I'm going to hit vehicle now. Okay, so now we're in the vehicle mode, and obviously you want to make sure the car's in park. That's how you'll access this. Then you're going to scroll down to maintenance info. So I'm going to scroll down, and that beep was just because we were at the bottom of the scroll bar over here. I'm going to click maintenance info, and what that's going to do is that's going to show you any maintenance lights or any oil lights that are on right now. So as you can see, I need I'm at 5%. The oil life is at 5%, and I need the maintenance A123. And I already booked the appointment, so I'll be going to that soon. But it shows you A is the engine oil. 1 is tire rotation, 2 is air filters, 3 is transmission oil, okay? And it shows you what you need to do. If you want to reset the maintenance life and the oil life, you're going to hit select reset items. So I'm going to click this, select reset items, and then you're going to actually choose the ones that you want to reset. So let's just say I actually changed my my cabin air filter, and I didn't do anything else, but I changed my cabin air filter, or I changed the air filters, okay? And I didn't do anything else. I can select just the air filters, and I can reset just that one, okay? Or you can reset all of them. But basically from this screen, you're going to click select reset items. You're going to select the ones that you want to reset, and then once you've selected the ones that you want to reset, you're going to click reset. There's going to be an additional button that says reset, and then they're going to disappear. And it's literally that simple. It can also be done, from what I understand, with the trip odometer, which is the little, there's a little button up here, the trip button over here. I have never done it using that right there, but I believe it can be done with that as well, from what I remember reading at one point in time. But that's it. That is how to reset the maintenance light on a Honda CR-V, otherwise known as resetting the oil life. A very simple step-by-step tutorial. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.